Dr. Seuss, The Sounds of Grinchmas. The Grinch stood all alone in the wind and the snow, staring down from Mount Crumpet at Whoville below. "Tomorrow is Christmas," he said with a sneer, for the Grinch hated Christmas and Christmas was near. Then he growled with his Grinch fingers nervously drumming, "I must find some way to stop Christmas from coming." For tomorrow he knew the Who girls and Who boys would wake bright and early. And then, oh, the noise, 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 noise. Then he got an idea. The Grinch laughed in his throat, and he made a quick Santa Claus hat and a coat. He called his dog Max. Then he took some red thread and he tied a big horn on top of his head. "Giddy up," said the Grinch as the sleigh started down towards the homes where the Who's lay as snooze in their town. "This is stop number 1, he said from a roof. Then he jumped and slid down the chimney. Poof! And while the Who's slept, the Grinch took the tree. He took all the food and the presents with glee. Then he did the same thing to the other Who's houses, leaving nothing but crumbs, too small even for mouses. Back on Mount Crumpet, the Grinch waited to hear the cries of Who's with a hand to his ear. But the sound that he heard was merry, not glum. The Who's were out singing, Christmas had come. And then something happened. The Grinch's heart, it grew. "Maybe Christmas means more," the Grinch said. Who knew? So he brought back the food and the toys, big and small. Then he said with a smile, "Merry Grinchmas to all."